Good morning, everyone. This is Rick, and this is my breakfast garden tofu burritos. And Bonnie, you want to say what's in them?
Tofu, onion, tomato,
Speak louder.
zucchini, grated zucchini and grated carrot, and a kale slaw mix that we had. I put in there, and it has on the tofu you put turmeric, and I also put some Italian seasoning, onions powder, and garlic powder.
And the kale slaw didn't have any dressing on it. It's just the greens.
Correct.
So I want to make sure that's it. The kale slaw was a mix that didn't have the mayonnaise and vinegar and all that. It's just the veggies. One of my favorite breakfasts is inspired from a Joel Furhman website. I think it was a member submitted recipe. And love this. This is really good.